Remember when you could lie one way for hours? Me I get told in a dog years, every 15 minutes me have to flip like rotisserie chicken before my hip start ball. Watch yourself, boy. You need to look where you go. And you need to go where you look, me not lie. And you need to go where you look. Your eye cross. Look on this here. Must be laundry there. A lot of y'all teeth look like MPIV bags. Yeah, me say it. Remember, no afraid for wear back the same weave. It a show say, you are the owner. Rotted, stuck here. You about here play hide and seek now. You ever notice that the pastor them on TV pray? And everybody drop down except the cameraman? Me have a time machine. Wow. What foolishness you cha-cha. Just take this little change and move yourself and drop that box too.
We hereby call to the Colosseum Spartacus, Antonius, and Maximus. Bring out the new gladiator, the, how did he refer to himself? Mongrel?
Come forth, Maximus the Mongrel, he who has never been to the vet. A true mongrel of the Jamaican warrior class. In his own words, he is not an idiot to rasclat.
Stand now. If your legs tremble, let God see them carry you anyway.
This a whole mix up, my people. Them call out Maximus. And me say, yeah, that me. But me never know them mean gladiator, me think they mean influencer. Me think me only up against one man, then me ear chain rattle. Lion, my people, lion. Who sign me up for National Geographic Special? Now me stand up with sword in a hand like me know what me I do. Truth is, me only know how to hold selfie stick.